A Walk Through York on Halloween. Read by me. It is dusk, post clocks upon the pouting castle walls, where my and a cat called What, with flair and seasoning, flail the dangling and sausagey entrails laid out before them. The future is drawn into the present along the embossed ropewalk of their victims' bloodied and dusty destinies. Escaping Ikea, brooms and brushes, whirring flour into butter moon, flying and stirring like clouds with a spoon, all around and all about, to give the night her makeup. But Mistress Night takes a blade, sky veins rain, a crimson Milky Way, lipstick, lightning, thundering down onto the chopping block. Oh, knock, knock if you dare. It's only chaos in there, and trapdoors to another odd sock lair. There is no logos, no place to go for her anymore. What's a Christian, mummy? Keith from Middlesex cackles sweetly enough. He's far, far from home. And long, long gone now from Oak Grove is Keith. And comfortably far from his conversion target, it is clear. His disdain for it is bald and bright. Oh, bless you. Just moonlit fancy, he grins to the little Catholic in waiting. The tone in his voice is leathery and palpable, like the slug living on his bathroom big issue. These targets are just rubbish, he had stood aghast and exclaimed in the last team blessing. Had he counted his last? Kim Mun, 5'5" of dragon fire, is the one now riding the carousel behind Keith's eyes. It is she who is now the unicorn on his banner. She is his rainbow and his rising, his union of love and darkness. He waves carefree at the lofty nave, wishing he were a crow, once again in a feisty heathered wind. OAP. Crack. Window. Chasing the Buddha. Smokes himself up, and far beyond the self-realization that the window is actually open, and falling now, falling. A dear leaf again, oh my holy oaks, his amygdala firing like an unreliable mouse button. He slow-mos. First floor, he hashtags, piking past the barbers, and thud, picked up by the snaggers in their pizza boots. OAP glazingly dreams of his new garlic kingdom, a violent republic exalted with high reggae, and very much feared. It is approached via the sweat and cherry-lined avenue of Pan, with its lamppost relics, flaming booties, scorpions and mocking crosses, all heinous and musky. His council in a shambles. Just look at the claws in the chamber's cushions. Karma peeking and leaking through tears, like fluff, and floating away like puff. What a trip. Twigs and twine and karma, and our beloved night's blood. Curry in the city gutters and shadows. Riff and Raff, the pilgrim rats of Alcatraz. Tonight in bog roll and glitter. And all the while the Queen of Heaven, Fills vet's windows with posters of twinkles, £500. And old cherubim the third, just £200. My retracts the monocular. A cat called What drains her Johnny Walker. They rubs paws and tiptoe the wet stone walls, whispering for twinkles. The end.